way to the Cadbury factory in Hobart.
So is that why
now February, the polar ice will start to build.
Leased from the Russians
we're less than 2,000
trips to the Antarctic.
Antarctica. We're actually closer to Commonwealth Bay than we are to Airlie Beach in Queensland. Have a think about it. From here to Airlie Beach, halfway is Port Macquarie on the central coast of New South Wales. So Antarctica is very close, and we're on the 43rd parallel latitude. Just think about England. The English Channel is on the 54th parallel, so they're another 600 nautical miles further north of the globe.
It's interesting that Hobart is the second largest port in the southern hemisphere other than Rio de Janeiro.
£1,000. Building of that was delayed for several years because the colonial government in New South Wales considered it was too flamboyant structure for a penal colony. The governor of the day had the power to hang people. Thank goodness they removed that power before Richard Butler got in there. And that's a wonderful place to go. We'll get a glimpse of that as we go by in a minute. Coming up is the Tasmania Bridge. That was completed in 1965. And
this building was designed to store fertilizer and withstand an explosion. This is the largest zinc producing factory in Australia, second largest in the world apparently, or something like that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
These cranes or devices unload the zinc concentrate.
8% of Tasmania is arable. Half of it is either wilderness,
and then stored in those
World Heritage
sheds.
Area, or National Park. So there's a lot of forestry in Tasmania.
And apparently the slag or residue from this process is converted into bricks, which somehow also stores indefinitely carbon dioxide. These are aluminum catamarans that are made here, and this is an experimental one.
Part of the American mainland, we're not allowed near them.
But these are owned by the United States, made out of aluminum. There are two of them.
Engine mount out on it, aluminium. They're very lightweight. I think they only weigh a bit over 1,000 tonnes. They've got 4 diesel engines in them. They're about 9,500 horsepower each. You know, rusted or pass it around. Rusted or a mile, which is very economical in ferry terms. Now the 2 sheds there are like Henry Ford's production line back in the 20s with the A and T model Fords. And
the entry out to the ocean, either right or left, I'm not sure which it is.
And looking at